Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your SENNHEISER EPOS C20 to the application. And firstly we need to pair these headphones with the phone, so open settings and go to the Bluetooth. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that right here at the right ear cup we have this mute button. You need to press and hold on it until you can see that these LED lights start flashing blue and red. Here we go. Now we enter to prank mode and just click on it at the device list. We did it. Now hide the settings and open the application. It's looking for a device, so now we should just wait. It find it, click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!